yeah, blowing the stink, yeah, on with the 9, yeah, get out of my face, yeah, I be the case, yeah, I be the case, I be the case, yeah, I be the case, yeah.
Nadasha be here. Welcome back for part 2. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few cute styles that I like to do when using my Betterlength seamless clip-in. So if you guys are interested, then just continue to watch this video.
Oh, he got a God, oh my God, what that boy on top, sip and walk, make my heart stop, all these hoes, yeah, my love, my thigh, yo, oh, let go, put her on roll, put that on payroll, put that on go, yeah, she like to go, yeah, she love to blow, get that dish slow, like a snow cone, yo, get that bag, show 'em how to ball, I'm in the mall, yeah, I'm sitting tall, look like yeah, I mean, all these hoes know, all these hoes know, all they got the roll, give me a minute, yeah, I need a minute,
and let me just throw out a quick disclaimer before I get some comments talking about, girl, what is wrong with your hair? Look, please, just don't. Look, y'all. If you watched my last video, I just put that video out on last Thursday, and of course I filmed it not on the same day. So I want to say I put heat on my hair exactly about a week ago. So with that being said, if you wear silk presses, you already know once you get in that shower, if it's not wrapped up properly, you're pretty much done with. I just didn't feel the need to go back in with a flat iron to hit them again just for this video, just simply because I just feel like it's no need, and I just put heat in it a week ago. So
if I go to jail, money for the bill, money on the scale, give me a minute, yeah, I need a minute, I'm in a minute, I'm in a minute, I'm gonna tell you, Cardi B and Pepe.
all of these styles that I'm doing are very simple. You can do, a high bun, and you see how the back looks. You can't see any tracks. I think that style is really good if you have to go to the gym or you're just gonna be in the heat. You don't want all this hair on your back because these are 20 inches. So yeah, all of these styles that I'm doing are very simple and very cute and quick as well.
When I put you in the latest, make sure you know. Titties on the FaceTime, let 'em out.
So this style is kind of similar to the style you guys just seen me do. The only thing that I would say is different is the track placement at the top, and then also how I have it parted. And just to kind of make it a little different as well, I just went in and threw in some quick curls. These curls took me no more, I want to say, than a minute and 30 seconds, and I have my flat iron on 390. Now we're getting towards the end of this video. The last style that I'm going to do is just a simple middle part, which took me no time. So guys, please make sure to leave down below in the comments some videos that you would like to see, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and to also hit the notification bell if you're new. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. And then they begging for shit, style, yeah, my hoes divided. Remember I was pulling up in the van.